what is the probability of 5 success? At least 5 success, at most 5 success. So Bernoulli trials means what? Number of trials should be finite. So when you roll pair of dice, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3 till 6 6, 6 3, 6 is 18, 21. So P of 2, exactly 2 successes, 25 by 260. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with probability, exercise 13.5, binomial distributions. First problem, a die is thrown 6 times. Die is thrown 6 times. Getting an odd number is success. Getting an odd number is what? Success. What is the probability of 5 success? At least 5 success, at most 5 success. Means they wanted to find the probability of getting 5 times odd number, at least 5 times odd number, and at most 5 times odd number. So now first, for this experiment, the sample space, the sample space is, when you roll a die, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P stands for probability of success. Here success is getting an odd number. See how many odd numbers are there? So we have 3 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. 3 favorable out of total 6, 3 by 6. 3 by 6 when you divide, it will be 1 by 2. So because they told success is getting an odd number, what is the probability of getting an odd number? Probability means what? Favorable by total. So we have 3 favorable out of total 6. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. P we got, probability of success is 1 by 2. Now Q means what? Probability of failure, that is 1 minus P. Always Q is 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2. So you got P value, got Q value. See, now we can say this as Bernoulli trials. So Bernoulli trials means what? Number of trials should be finite. So they are tossing 6 times. 6 is a finite number. And each trial should be independent of other. So one trial does not depend on other. And for each trial, we should have only 2 cases. One success, the other one failure. So when you roll a die, either you will get an odd number or you will get an even number. So therefore, this is a Bernoulli trial. So whenever Bernoulli trial is there, we can use binomial distribution formula. So now P, probability of success 1 by 2. Q, probability of failure. Q is calculated using the formula 1 minus P. Then they want 5 success. 5 success means X is exactly 5. X is exactly what? 5. So first one, 5 success. So P of X. So we should repeatedly use the formula for P of X. What is P of X? For binomial distribution, for Bernoulli trials, P of X can be written as NCX P power X into Q power N minus X. This is the formula. So write the formula, you will get 1 mark. What is P of X? NCX P power X Q power N minus X. This is binomial distribution. Now Bernoulli trials, we can use the formula. These are Bernoulli trials because you are tossing 5 times. 5 is a finite and each trial is independent of other and each trial has 2 outcomes. Therefore, Bernoulli trial. So we can use this formula. P of X is NCX P power X Q power N minus X. P means probability of success. Here 5 success means X is 5. So 5 times getting an odd number. So P of 5 we need. That is P of 5. What is P of 5? NCX. N means number of trials. So in this case, number of trials is also given. N is exactly what? 6. 6 times you tossed. So that's why 6C5. P power, P means 1 by 2. Power X. X means 5. Q means Q is also 1 by 5. P minus X. 6 minus 5. So P of 5 becomes 6C5. 6C5 is same as 6C1. All of you know 6C5 can be written as 6C6 minus 5. So one of the important formula what you learnt in your first year PUC, NCR can also be written as NC N minus R. So same thing we are using here. P of 5 is 6C5. Instead of 6C5, I'll write 6C6 minus 5 and half power law of indices I can use. Here a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So I can write it as 5 plus 6 minus 5. So 6C5 is 6C1 and plus 5 minus 5 cancels, it will be half power 6. So 6, see 1 means 6 and half power 6 means 1 by 2 power 6. That can be written as 6 into 1 by 2 into 2 power 5. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So numerator is 3, denominator is 2 power 5. 2 5 times if you multiply you will get 32. So P of 5, probability of getting 5 success is 3 by 32. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. 2 power 5 is 32. 3 by 32 is the probability of getting 5 success. Now they want at least 5 success. Second part is at least 5 success. At least 5 success means P of x is greater than or equal to 5. At least means what? That much or more than that. So you should get 5 odd numbers or more than 5 odd numbers. But you are tossing how many times? You are tossing only 6 times. 5 or more means P of 5 you should find plus P of 6 you should find. P of 5 plus P of 6. P of 5 no need to find, just now we got 3 by 32. P of 6 is, again use the formula NCX. 6C6 half power x half power 6 into half power 6 minus 6. I am using P of x formula. What is P of x formula? P of x is NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So that is 3 by 32 plus 6C6 is 1. 1 by 2 power 6 half power 0. Anything power 0 becomes 1. So it will be 3 by 32 plus 1 by, this will become 1. 1 by 2 power 6. So 3 by 32 plus 1 by 32 2 is 64. So now LCM becomes 32 and 64. LCM is 64. 32 2s are 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So it will be 7 by 64. So probability of getting at least 5 success is 7 by 64. So this is 7 by 64. First case we got 3 by 32. Second case is what? 7 by 64. Now the other case is at most 5 success. At most means what? Maximum 5 success. Means you should get 0 success or 1 success or 2 success or 3 success or 5 success. Not more than that. So for that we can also use a technique. So now I hope all of you understood this. Copy this. So P of 1 success. P of exactly 5 success. P of exactly 5 success. That is P of 5. P of 5 means this is the formula. 6C5 half power 5 half power 6 minus 5. Use it. You will get 5 success. 3 by 32. And P of 6 at least 5 success. At least means x less than or equal, x greater than or equal to 5. At least means what? That much or more than that. For at least 5 success you will get 7 by 64. So second problem. So I hope all of you got the answer for this. So please copy this. Now we'll go ahead with third case. So we have done first and second. Now we'll go to what? Third case. Now third case, case 3. At most 5 success. At most 5 success. So means P of x less than or equal to 5. Means we need P of 0 success you may get, or P of 1 success you may get, or P of 2 or P of 3 or P of 4 and till P of 5. This is the question. Call it as equation 1. Dear students, we need to find P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and add. It is very lengthy. But we know that for Bernoulli trials, we have sum of the probabilities is always 1. P0 till P6. P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 plus P6. Sum of all the probabilities is 1. So and we need P0 to P5. Just transfer P6 to RHS. So that implies P0 plus P1 plus P2 plus P3 P5 is equal to, if I transfer this to RHS, it will be 1 minus P of 6. That will be 1 minus P of 6. What is P of 6? So P of 6, if you find enough. So just now we have done at most 5 success. In that we have done P of 6 also. Or we can find just P of 6 is what? 6C6 half power 6 half power 6 minus 6. I am using NCX formula. What is P of x, dear students? P of x is NCX P power x q power n minus x. I am using this. Now that is 1, 6C6 is 1 again, half power, so 6 minus 6 it is. 6 minus 6 is 0, we are left out with half power 6. So that is equal to, so LHS I can write P of x less than or equal to 5. P0 to P5, we can call it as P of x less than or equal to 5. So that is P of x less than or equal to 5 is 1 minus 66 is 1 divided by 2 power 6, 1 minus 1 by 64. If you take LCM, 64 minus 1 by 64, 63 by 64. Means out of 64 times, you will get 63 times, at most 5. So 63 by 64. So we got the last case also. That is 63 by what? 64. One of the important questions. So now Bernoulli trials, you should decide whether the given trials are Bernoulli trials. How to decide whether they are Bernoulli trials? See, number of trials should be finite. Each trial should be independent of other, and each trial should have only 2 possible outcomes, success or failure. That's it. Then you can decide they are Bernoulli trials, and you can use this formula. X means exactly x. At least x means x greater than or equal to that value. At most means less than or equal to. Now a pair of dice is thrown 4 times. So 4 times they thrown. If getting a double is considered as success, find the probability of success. Getting a doublet is considered as success. So now success, what is doublet? So when you roll pair of dice, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3 till what? Till 6 6. See, dear students, when you roll 1 die, you will get 6 output. Such 2 dice, if you roll 6 square, 36 outputs. Means n of s, number of outputs is 36. Now coming to this doublet. Doublet means the event is getting doublet. Doublet means what? Getting 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4. Both same is double or doublet. Both the outputs, if they are same, is a doublet. So what is probability of success? P stands for probability of success. Probability of success, getting a doublet is success. How many times you will? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 favorable output, or 6 6 also. In doublet I can also add what? 6 6. When you roll a pair of die, you may even get 6 6. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 5, 6 6. So probability of success. Probability of success is what? Favorable. Probability means what? Favorable by total. Favorable we have 6. Total we have 36. So P is what? 1 by 9. 6 ones are 6 6 are, sorry. Probability is what? 1 by 6. So P is 1 by 6. Q, what is Q? Probability of failure, that is 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. This is Q. P is 1 by 6 and Q is 5 by 6. Then they want you to find the probability of 2 success. Probability of what? 2 success. See, number of times they rolled a die n, Bernoulli trials, 4, n is 4. They want you to find how many success? Exactly 2 success. X is exactly 2. So dear students, all of you know P of x formula. P of x is NCX P power x into Q power n minus x. So n means number of trials. How many trials in this case? 4 trials. 4 times you have tasked. So 4. CX, x means exactly they want you to find what? 2 success. So in this case x is 2 because they want 2 success. So we need to find p of 2. So in 4C2, p means probability of success. What is the probability of success? 1 out of 6 power x means what? 2. What is probability of failure? Q is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 whole power n minus x, 4 minus 2. So 4C2 means 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. So 1 power anything is 1, 6 power 2, 6 square, 5 power 4 minus 2 is 2, so it will become 5 square by 6 square. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you are left out with 2 threes are 6. So 2 threes are 6, this 2 threes are 6 and 1 6 will cancel. So I'm again left out with 1 by 6 into 5 square, 25 divided by 6 square. So that is probability p of x is equal to 2, or p of 2 is 25 divided by 6 cube, 36 into 6, that is 25 by 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. So 215 by 16, 6 6 are 36, 6 3, 6 3 is 18, 21. So p of 2, exactly 2 successes, 25 by 216. Next, there are 5% defective items in a large bulk of items. Probability that sample of 10 items will include not more than 1 defective. So here success is getting a defective bulb. So now probability of number of trials, how many bulbs you are taking? You are taking 10 defective items, 10 samples you are taking, so 10 items, n is 10. P means probability of success. So 5% is defective. So getting defective is, first we will define, getting defective is success in this case. Getting a defective bulb, or getting a defective item, getting a defective item. So 5% defective is there, means 5 out of 100. This is the probability of success. You can simplify, 5 ones are 5, 20s are. And what is Q? Probability of failure, 1 minus 1 by 20. That is 19 by 20. 21s are 20 minus 1, 19 by 20. You got P value, you got N you have, P you have, Q you have. Then what else we need? So they want you to calculate probability which will not include not more than 1 defective. Not more than 1 defective means what? P of x less than or equal to 1. Means they want P of 0 defective bulbs plus P of 1 defective bulb. So this is the formula. Again we should use P of x. What is P of x? P of x is NCx P power x Q power n minus x. So now P of x less than or equal to 1 is P of 0 plus P of 1. Getting defective bulb 0, getting defective bulb 1. So 0 defective bulb means, so NCx, what is n here? Number of trial, 10C0, P 1 by 20 power x is 0 into Q is 9 by 27, 19 by 20, 19 by 20 power 10 minus 0, P of 1 means 10C1, 1 by 20 power 1, 19 by 20 power 10 minus 1. NC naught is 1, anything power 0 is 1, so you are left out with 19 by 20 power 10 plus 10C1 is 10 and 1 by 20 power 1 is 1 by 20, 19 by 20 power 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 0 I can cancel. Okay, in these two take least term common, that is 19 by 20 power 9 is the least power, take it out. So here another 1 into 1 is 1 into 19 by 20, one more term will be there, plus here 19 by 20 power 9 is out, so 1 by 2 will be there. Now simplify this. If you simplify 19 by 10, 19 by 20 power 9, don't disturb this, into, if you take LCM for 20 and 20 is the LCM, and this will be 19, this will be 10. So it will become 19 by 20, 19 plus 10 is 29. 29 by 20 into 19 by 20 power 9. You can leave it here. This is in standard form. Hope all of you got this. Next, 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all 5 cards are spades, only 3 cards are spades, none is spade? So in order to solve this, number of trials. How many cards you are drawing? So 5 cards. Number of trials is 5. And pack of cards 52. Probability of, in this case, all 5 are spades. So P is probability of getting spade. Probability of success, that is probability of getting spade. Of getting a spade. What is probability of getting a spade? We'll have 13 spades out of 52 cards. 13 by 52. 13 ones are 13 fours are. So P is 1 by 4. And now you can calculate Q. What is Q? Q is 1 minus P. That is 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So now P we have probability of success is 1 by 4. Q we have probability of failure 3 by 4. And number of cards. Total number of cards we are drawing is 5. N is 5, P is 1 by 4, Q is 3 by 4. So all 5 cards are spades they are asking. P of X is 5. What is P of X formula? P of X is NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X. So probability of getting 5 cards as spades. So means P of 5 they want. All 5 cards are spades. So X is 5. So 5C5. P means, what is P value? We got 1 by 4. 1 by 4 power 5. Q is what? 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 power 5 minus 5. So 5C5 is 1. 1 by 4 power 5. And this will become 0. Anything power 3 by 4 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 1 by 4 power 5. 1 by 16 into 16 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 5 times. So simplify this. 64 into 16 if you do. 6 4s are 24 2. 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. 4 6 4 10 1024. 1 by 1024. Now next case, only 3 cards are spades. P of X is equal to 3 you should do. Then none is spade. P of 0 you should do. So now second part, 3 are spades. Exactly 3 are spades. So P of 3. What is P of 3? NC3. 5C3. 1 by 4 power 3. 5 by 4 power 5 minus 3. 5C3 is 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2. 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 1 by 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 5 power 2 divided by 4 square, 4 into 4. So here 3 cancels, 4 cancels. Numerator 5 into 5, 25, 25 5 is 125. Denominator 2, 4 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 16. 16 into 16 into 2. 16 2s are 32 into 16. 6 2s are 12. 32, 16, 32. Okay, fine. What are 3? 2 6 are 12. 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 512. 120 by 512. 125 by 512. So next, none is spade. Means P of 0. Third part, none is spade. P of 0. 0 spades. So how many cards you have? 5C 0. 1 by 4 power 0. 5 by 4, sorry, 3 by 4 power. Sorry, here it's 3 by 4, right? Here I've done a mistake, sorry. This is 3 by 4. So failure is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 5, 45. 9 5s are 45. 45 by 12. None, sorry, none is squared. 5C0 is 1, 1, 5. First, this is 3 by 4. See, they want none is a spade. None means what? 0 spades. 0 spades means, so 3 power 5 minus 0. So 5c0 is 1, this is 1, 3 by 4 power 5 is the answer. 3 power 5, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 8s are 24, 243 out of 4 power 5. 4 power 5, just now you have done 1024. No, all of you got this. So these are the important problems. So please sit and practice this. So whatever we discussed till now are all important. So P of X formula once you are thorough, you can solve the problem. At least means that much or more than that. At most means that much or less than that. That you should remember. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.